Hallo, Ace. A bhfuil déisiú le san caneach a grúd de cheola húr at fat? Ha? Ma hí go thula cala seo cears go leor. Bíú sa fáil a bheachaí go Dachaigh úr an dú. Oh, a lá sear a hawn nach hé. Hé cho alin nach híl. Hau go má forstanach. Agus seo de tían.
Oh, mate, you right? Oh, Tate, look, there he is. Hiya, mate. Hiya, pal. Yeah, hiya, mate. Oh, he's giving you cuddles. Hello, pal. Hello, pal. 1, 2, 3, go. That's what he's waiting for. That's what he's been waiting for. You're your best pal.
Oh, ma hrúie, Ace. How do you know a hula root kerst?
Oh.
How's that?
Oh, that's amazing.
What do you think of him?
Hyper.
Hyper?
You still be the best of pals.
But cute.
Oh, he's so cute,
So
isn't he? I think
cute.
he's got the same hair as you.
He has. You've got matching hair.
They say that owners look like their dogs, don't they? Oh, Ace. Fitte tú staigh seo go maith.
It's the best feeling ever.
Agus chan je Dachaigh úr an únrút a huare, ha enim úr ag a cúideach.
His name is Kevin.
Kevin!
Kevin!
You know the Gaelic for Kevin is Cúvan.
Kevin.
That's his Sunday name. Cuban Harvey.
The Valum heen skia lach hana.